Yes, sir. We done made it to Venice. Good. They out here sliding. What up? We back at it. We about to go on a night ride. They got a little rare breed event. We go slide by. I'm gonna go pull up on the homie, get some gas. So stay tuned. We sliding. Make sure y'all enter to win this joint too, man. We about to slide the Screaming Eagle 110, baby. Yes, sir. Neutral. Hear it. Yes, sir. About to slide this joint. Gotta get some gas first. This motherfucker good. They out here sliding. This orange looking good. Let's see what's going on, man. About to gas up. Yes, sir. We about to slide. Gotta change the shifter. Sir, we got the joint out. Sliding. Hey.
I got you.
Got the joint out here sliding, man. Yes, sir. This motherfucker looking good. We waiting on one person? Yes, sir. Sliding. Glide, man. Yes, sir. About to slide. Sliding. Cruise control for the win. Hey, this CVO is no joke. Like, real shit. Whoever wins this bike is going to see. This bike is a beast. There we go. We sliding up. Yes, sir. We done made it to Venice. Homies, we sliding. Yes, sir. Y'all see where we at? What up, YouTube? We back at it. We sliding. I know y'all seen that ride last night. I really had my cameras ready to go. One camera had a dead battery. The other camera had the storage filled up. It was just so much BS with it. I'm like, man, I'm not even tripping. We're gonna just wait till tomorrow. So today we got our bars in the back. We're throwing them joints on. I'm about to go back to the house. I had to go to the shop to grab the ladder. I'm about to load the bike on the truck. Once we load it up on the truck, we coming back to the shop to disassemble the bars. So we're going back to the house to wire them up in like an hour. Then we're going back to the shop to install them joints, man. So stay tuned. We about to have this thing coming together. We're gonna most definitely go for another night ride tonight with some people. So stay tuned, man. We pulling up and sliding. I'm telling y'all, man, that bike runs so good. Like, I never had the 110 before, but I definitely feel it and I see the difference in it, man. When I tell you that thing is something you would love, it definitely is. So please wait for the wheels, the seat, all the accessories, everything is gonna be so nice. So I cannot wait for everyone just to see the potential in that joint, man, because I definitely see it now. But everyone is not riding a bike to get the feeling that I'm feeling. But stay tuned, your time is coming. And for the winner, for everyone's entering, your time is really coming, man. So I'm trying to go live tomorrow, man. Tomorrow and go live and pick the winner. It's going to be Friday. So stay tuned for that, man. If y'all want to get in it to win it, go in the description below. If we sell out by tomorrow, I'll post all the numbers on my community page on YouTube so everyone will see their number. From there, we'll go live and be on. So stay tuned for that, man. But we have to sell out. So let's get into win it, y'all. We sliding. Got this thing loaded up. Got the ramp. A lot of people keep asking about this ramp, man. If y'all want one, go to Harbor Freight. It's not that hard. All you gotta do is put it on the back, latch the low chains, or you can put the strap like my boy do. But really, this is enough. It's not gonna yank back. So that's gonna hold it. And you be good to go, man. So we're about to load up, get the bike to the shop. Yes, sir, we got the bike. I'm gonna get all this off too, because this stuff is super irritating. But The whole thing about it, these stickers are super hard, but I'm gonna heat it up and clean it. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have them bags done hopefully this weekend, man. So we got this thing complete. We're gonna get all the other little pieces touched up. But first startup, man. Things sounding good. About to ride it up. Got my cameraman today. Ace, you wanna record me?
You do it. Yeah, I caught it.
So we got the bike loaded up in the back. Me and my dog slide into the shop. About to go ahead and offload the bike, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the bars off, swap it out. So stay tuned, man. We sliding. And like I said, I know everybody knows we're going live to tomorrow if we sell out. I'm headed to Texas as soon as I can get this bike fully complete. After Texas, I'll be in Ohio to deliver the red and blue joint. Then we're gonna deliver this wherever this is headed. But I don't want to go straight to Ohio after my Texas guy been waiting. So I'm trying to just do it in order so everything makes sense. Now, most likely, whoever I have ship that Texas bike is going to ship that Ohio bike just because it's going the same way. So that'll be a perfect combo to knock two in one out. I mean, knock both of them out in one, you know? Yes, sir, we just pulled up to the shop. Got this thing looking good, man. This thing is looking good. About to go ahead and put it in. Gotta get this thing running, man. Trying to get this thing on its way to Texas. We're closer than close, though. We got this thing running. It's trying to start. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Got the fuel pump on. It's not the original tank. It's right there. It sounds way better, more powerful. We just gotta figure it out. I'm gonna go over it today so we can get this thing resolved and on the road, man. But we working and we got it going. So we then finally got the bars off the bike. We just made it back to people's house. I got my trailer here because we're going out soon. My dog over there knock. But we got the bars right here. So these are the stock bars right here. We're about to cut and solder just these two connectors right there. I know I can take the pins out, but I just like to do it my way. So we got the other bars right there about to install. We got the extensions for these right here. So we in the game. Stay tuned for that. About to basically just rip these out and extend them with the bars, call it a day. So we got our old handlebars right there on the floor. About to go ahead and install the new joints right here. I love these handlebars. They are exactly what I like and what I need, man. So stay tuned, y'all. We're about to have these joints on the road sliding. Now y'all see the difference. This is why I have to kind of wait. See how these bars is a different size, straight smooth. Then right here, these have that little deep cut. So luckily I'll be having a lot of extra parts. Came through for perfect for this job today. So these are going to be to the side, and we're about to wire these joints up, man. So stay tuned. So hold on, let me get this out. So this is why I love this newer stuff, the 14 and up, because they got these small connectors, the extensions. Usually I'm used to soldering and cutting every wire from the bars, but like I said, the newer stuff is easier. So right now, we just extended it just with one plug, just like that. We got this thing much longer. It's crazy how much easier it is with this newer stuff. So that's what it's about, man. Harley's making it more convenient the more we do. So we're about to finish doing this, man, and we're gonna be back on that bike sliding and riding in no time, man. So stay tuned. You already know the trick I use. We use that wire, pull that wire through. Now we got it through there. We're gonna put the edge of this connector, put that together, yank the whole thing through, make it real easy, nice and fast. That's the whole bust down of that for you, man.